Welcome to this Hometree review of the Vaillant ecoTec Pro 28, a model from Vaillant's Combi boiler range. All of the boilers in the Vaillant ecoTec Pro range are crafted with small to medium homes in mind. These are perfect for homes that don't have huge hot water demands. This boiler delivers a flow rate of 11.1 litres of hot water per minute, which is great if you have just one bathroom or one shower in your home. With a central heating output of 18.9 kilowatts and a hot water output of 27.2 kilowatts, this boiler is able to power up to 12 radiators. Let's take a quick look at what could make this boiler a good choice for your home. Firstly, Vaillant are famed for their developments in quiet technologies and are considered a which best buy. Vaillant are known for their reliability and quality, which means they can be a bit more expensive than the likes of a glowworm or a Baxi boiler. They are usually a similar price to Bosch. Engineers and consumers continue to give Vaillant 5 stars out of 5 for their boilers through the Which survey. When turning fuel into heat, this wall-hung boiler is A-rated for energy efficiency. If you are replacing an old boiler with this new efficient model, you will see an immediate reduction in your carbon footprint and a reduction in your energy bill as a result. The ecoTec Pro 28 has been designed to make installation and setup easy, and it is one of the quietest boilers in the market, designed for a peaceful home. This model comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty as standard, which you can upgrade to a 5 or 10-year warranty with an accredited installer like Hometree. The boiler has built-in frost protection, so you can rely on optimal performance all year round. There is a user-friendly LCD display on the boiler, so you can see at a glance whether the boiler is on, working, and what temperature it is set to. It also displays any problems that might arise. Hometree engineers recommend that you get a smart thermostat fitted with your new boiler, as it gives you more control over when to put your heating on and off, and temperature settings to keep you warm and toasty. Because of Vaillant's Aqua Comfort Warm Start feature, this boiler will give you instant hot water and keep a steady temperature. So are there any negatives? If you have a larger home with more than one bathroom and more than 10 radiators, you will need to look at other options, such as the 30 kilowatt version of this model, the ecoTec Pro 30. Also, the manufacturer states that this boiler can fit into a small cupboard. You need a space of 720 by 440 and 330 millimeters, which is slightly bigger than some of the other compact boilers on the market. If this boiler doesn't fit, you may need to look at other models. Find the best boilers at hometree.co.uk.